This is how I roll my spring rolls. Hi everyone and welcome to Beet the Rush. This is where I share my vegetarian recipes. So, if that's your thing, consider subscribing. Let's start by filling a shallow dish with cold water. Dip the rice paper in the water for 1 or 2 seconds. Don't let it soak for too long. It will get soggy and very hard to work with. Just look at this. It's just miserable, right? It should still be firm when you get it on your surface. It will get softer as you roll it. Add the filling, about 1/4 of a cup, or some thinly sliced veggies. I will link the recipe for this filling in the description box below. Fold twice towards the middle of the wrap. Lightly press the sides so the filling doesn't escape. Add some sliced veggies and fold the sides inward. Then finish the roll by folding twice. And there you have it, medium looking but delicious spring rolls. Check my website for more vegetarian recipes and consider subscribing so we can beat the rush together. Thanks for watching and see you next time.